Going to quickly review my Gerber Crucial knife, multi-tool. I've had this for about 5 years now, but I had another one before and actually replaced this under the warranty, which is really good. They give it lifelong warranty. The belt clip or the pocket clip broke, so they actually replaced it. It's actually in daily use, and I had the other one for about 20 years before that, before it broke, and it was absolutely fantastic. And it was in my pocket every day for 20 years. I keep it in a Musto pouch because the Gerber Crucial actually fits very, very well into that pouch. You can put the pouch onto a belt. It's got a belt strap, or I find it really easily goes in your pocket like that. This is a Gerber Crucial multi-tool. It has a very stout blade, very strong thick blade, blunt end and short, so it doesn't come foul with any UK knife laws. It's got a strong pair of needle nose pliers, which are single-handed operation, very easy to use with some cutters. It's got a belt clip or a pocket clip, and it's got screwdriver bits which lock into place. And a can opener and carabiner hook.